Hi everyone, welcome back to another Congolese dance tutorials video. My name is Brian, as many of you already know, and if you're new, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. We're family here. I see you, you see me, you hit the comments, I read every single one of them. So, here I am, doing another move. And this move, there's a lot of moves that don't actually have names. I've been saying this over and over in this couple of weeks, but there's no name. I'm not gonna lie, there's no name. But the move is fantastic, I'm not gonna lie. Whoever made this move, Soko Yibi Combo, let me know, because this move is good. This is how it goes. There's a lot going on. There's arms, shifting of your legs forward, there's a lot going on. So, if you're ready, get yourself warmed up, get stretched, let's teach this move. See you on the other side. Hi guys, Brian here from Congolese Dance Tutorials. And obviously, new feature, we go through small, piece by piece, the move. Right, this move, I don't know the names, I've just written groove step. It's another groove step that I'm gonna make in a variation of. I've put basics. Always bend your legs in these moves. Bend your legs, and then the 3 pointers for this specific move is your arms swaying forward and balance, because if you haven't got balance, you'll fall. So let's get straight into this video. See you on the other side. So for this move, again, include your arms, swaying of these bad boys, right? And also, there's a bit of rhythm. You're going from left to right. Again, basic Congolese move is bend your legs. I see you guys not bending your legs. I'll be like, guys, remember to bend your legs. That's all out. But yeah, and also, you want to make sure you have balance, because sometimes you can miss the beat to come back to sway this way. So you want to make sure you have balance, keep your legs a little bit, I wouldn't say shoulder width, because I don't think that's enough movement for you. You want to be able to make it big. So you want to have a bit of a wider stance. You want your legs a little bit further than shoulder width, okay? So you don't really want to be straight on. You want your legs to be a little, just tiny bit, where you feel comfortable enough. So obviously, don't do that, because then you can't really bend properly and do it. So you want to be about maybe half an inch outside your shoulder, right? Or just close to it, right? So you want to stand in this position. Again, bend your legs, all right? Yeah, so bend your legs. So to start off, you want to get into this movement. So I'm not even going to do arms. So what you want to do from here is bend your legs. Don't bend too much, but just bend slightly. You can stay straight, it's not a problem. And you want to get into this movement. So basically, what you want to do is dip in with your hips. You want to dip in and drop it back. You want to dip in, so you want to lift your toes and dip in while you do that at the same time. This is not easy, so take your time. Replay this video as many times as you want, but take your time. You want to lift your toes and bend forward and drop it at the same time. Makes it a little bit difficult. You want to go here, drop, so everything kind of follows itself, but it takes it takes practice, rhythm to get into. Da, woo, woo, woo. Right? Drop, drop, drop. Now, why am I swaying to left to right? Because to make my arms easier. So without my arms, you just want to do this. Lift, lift the toes, hip forward. Again, when I say lift the toes and hips forward, I don't mean ooh, as in just push it as far forward as you can. If it's a little bit, it's a little bit. As long as you can see that there's something going on like this in a circular motion. So even if it's just a little bit, as long as we can see you've gone forward a little bit and come back from up to down, kind of like a triangle, but obviously you're trying to make it smooth. So cut the edges. Woo, 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 woo. Right? So from there, you want to sway now. Woo, woo, woo. So basically, when you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, sway, 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 sway. Again, that takes practice. So, essence of this move. You want to lift, go forward, drop, and come back. That's it. So when you're going up, forward, down, back, you want to sway at the same time. Woo. Once you completed the move, you can move over to the other side. Okay? And then the arms will follow. Woo. Kind of like in an X. You come up, across, up, across. Again, everything think in a circular motion. It's not a square, it's more of a circle. So any movement that we do, there's no point to hit. You're just trying to get there and go to the next one as smoothly as you can. Kind of like the infinity sign and not an X. So infinity, you go across and then come round in a circle and come back up. Yeah, like the number 8. But obviously inverted, so your arms are not doing this. Your arms are doing up, down. Or if you want to make it as simple as possible, just fling it. Just fling it. It does the same effect. Right? Okay, that was a lot. If you need to go back. Essence of the move again. Bend your legs. Up, forward, down, back. Up, forward, down, back. Up with your toes. Forward with your hips. Down with your toes, or down with your heels. And back with your hips. And then arms, what? Body, you sway it. Upper body sways from left to right. Right? Woo. 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 And as you can see, my arms are already doing the motion, so just emphasizing that. And that's it. You. Right, that was the move. Let's jump into the music. We can do this with some music. Let's see how it goes. You ready? I'm ready. Let's go.
La nouvelle fréquence. Toussaint Bapa. Jissé Mouzou. Philippe Efekele. Macho Damandangi. Nana.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. My name is Brian. I've been your teacher for today. So if you enjoyed that video, again, like, subscribe, comment down below. If you're new, like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you didn't like the video, like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you did like the video and you want to recommend, like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you in the other video. Let's go. Bye. Peace.
Na bandiko bimana ye, babandiko benga ye, monsieur.